What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to remove an app from your iPhone home screen. Now essentially what this is going to do is it's going to remove it from your home screen like you see here. You won't be able to swipe through and see the app icon, but if you swipe down on your home screen you could just search for it and the app is still on your phone. It just disappeared from the home screen. If you really don't want a lot of clutter but you do want a lot of apps on your phone, this is a super useful tool for you to do, and it's a lot easier to organize on your phone and have the apps where you want it instead of all having an icon like this. So what you're going to end up doing there is you're just going to hold down on the app that you want to remove from the home screen, and it's going to have to just have these apps wiggle there with the little line through them. And once you click on the little line that is in the upper left hand corner of the app itself, it's going to give you two options to delete the app or remove the app from your home screen. You're going to click remove the app from your home screen and you can see there that the app just got removed. But when I swipe down and search MLB, the app is still going to pop up, and like I said, the app is still on your phone. You could just search for it and click on it through, and it's going to have all the functionality that it once had once I press on it through the search, even though I removed it from the home screen. That's pretty much all there is to it, though. If you got any questions or any confusion on how this worked, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.